Oh my. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do this video today. Today is Christmas Eve day, and I just wanted to share something with you that just came in the mail. We were expecting it because this was kind of a gift that Kim and I bought for each other, and you can probably tell already what I'm talking about. I got a new webcam. It's an upgrade. The webcam I was using before, I'm not even sure the model number of it. It was a inexpensive $20 model. It worked well for a while, but you know, sometimes you just want to step up and up your game. And Kim uses it for her Zoom calls, and I use it for YouTube. So we decided to do some research, and we came up with this one. And this is the Logitech C920E. This is the box it came in. Logitech C920E. Came in this neat little box. And I'm telling you guys, this was so easy to set up. Whoops. That phone always goes off every time I do a video. But this was so easy to set up. It was unbelievable. You know, I took it out of the box. I unplugged my old camera from the USB port. I plugged this one in. I got a little message down in the bottom of my screen that said that the camera was connected, it was recognizing it, and it was ready to go. So what I did is I pulled up my OBS software, which is what I'm recording in, and I just had to do a little setting change to where, you know, I could find the camera that it was now plugged into because it was hooked into the old camera before. So I went in and I did a, I forget what they call it, but basically it's just where you go into a certain setting in your scenes and then you pull your new camera in, and that's what I did. And as soon as I did, boom, recognized it. My image came up and I was just, I'm like, oh my goodness. I couldn't believe the quality difference. It just looks fantastic. You know, this just looks absolutely fantastic. And I made sure that I got one. You know, a lot of these upgraded cameras don't have the little flip-up door, you know, that covers the lens. And I wanted to make sure that I got that because of the fact that, you know, I've heard rumors that hackers can hack into your webcam and they can actually watch what you're doing, you know, if you don't have that lens covered. So I wanted to make sure that, you know, this model had that, and it was very easy to hook up. I mean, it was a separate piece, and I just took it and I plunked it over the top of the lens and just racked up the, you know, the cover. And another reason I needed the cover was that's where I attach my microphone. You know, I clip it to my mic, and then I push it back a little bit, and that's exactly where I mount my microphone. So that was another reason. And it's got this really cool two blue lights I'm looking at right now. Now, sometimes lights on a camera scare people, but it doesn't me. But it's just such a great little camera, and I'm just really thrilled with it. And I just wanted to do this video today. See what else is happening. Kim's business is doing well. Now she's, I think, over on her eBay store, she's up over 100 listings now. I think like 119 listings. And I made a sale this morning. It was about, came in about 6 o'clock a.m. and it was an offer. It was for a card. It was a ship, and it on the postcard it had the stamp White Star Line, which is the company that owned Titanic. You know, now it wasn't the Titanic, but it was, you know, from that line, and I think that's what gave it some, you know, incredible value. And you know, I put it up for about, I did some comp searches on it, and I put it up for $14.25, and then I got an offer for $12, which I thought was fair. But you know, I wanted a little more, so I said, you know what, I'm just going to counter that a little bit. And I came down, I didn't come down very much on something like that. When I've done my research and done my comps and saw what other, because there were two other cards that were selling for around the same price, and I didn't want to, you know, sell it at $12. So basically I came down from $14.25 to $14 even. And then I wrote a little note to the buyer and I said, you know, this is the best I can do with this. If this works for you, we can do a deal. So let me know. And about 5 minutes later, I heard a ching, and I sold the card, and for $14. And I think I did charge $4.75 for shipping. Now, normally when I ship my cards out, when I sell a card that's like $14.25 or under, I'm using the eBay standard envelope system. I put them in these envelopes here that I get from Sweetzer and Orange. And these are, I believe, let's see, I used to have the other envelopes that were like 200, and I think they were 220 GSM, and they were fairly thick, but the problem was I ran into a supply problem and I couldn't get my envelopes on time. And basically, I think the GSM on these is about 160. Yeah, I believe that's what it is. I'm like I said, I'm trying to recall this from memory, but I think the other ones were 220, and these are like 160. And they work fine. I put a piece of cardstock tent in to protect the card, and I send it out, and it's bendable, and everything works fine. But when I ship out a card that I've sold for a little more money, $14.25 and above, what I do is I have these. Let me get that in frame, and you can see the backs of these. And these are like what they're referred to as stay flats. Okay, now that's not the brand name of these, but basically it's similar to that. It's just a generic brand, but these puppies are like 600 GSM. They are really thick. I don't believe you can send these with the eBay standard envelope system because they're too thick and they won't bend, and they'll end up coming back to me. So these always go first class parcel package, which is about anywhere from $350 to $397, something around there. And I do charge for shipping when I send those cards out. And that's what I did this morning with this. It was $14 for the card, and then it was $4.75 I charged for the shipping. And then I think you paid $1.50 sales tax or so. So the whole order came to like $20.60 or something like that. And I got it right out to them because I had to get down to the post office really fast today because they were only open. They're only open for 3 hours today, with it being Christmas Eve. They're only open from 9 to noon. And, it's funny. I got down there at about 8:30 because I figured there'd be a long line with it being Christmas Eve. I got down there and there was like nobody there. Nobody in line. I stood in line for like 20, 25 minutes by myself, just waiting for them to open the doors, because when you send it first class parcel, you're using the USPS tracking code, not the eBay standard envelope tracking, which is the third party tracking. So, it had to be scanned. So that's why I had to go into the post office. And it was funny because I expected there to be a long line with it being, day before Christmas, and there was nobody there. I mean, nobody. I was first in line. I stood there for about 20, 25 minutes. They opened the doors. I was in and out in like a minute. So I got it shipped off to the customer, and I contacted them, and they were very happy about that. They won't get it in time for Christmas, but, they're aware of what's going on with the post office. But anyway, that's what I use these for. And for the just regular lower end stuff, I use these, and works out really well. But yeah, I'm really excited about this new camera. I just wanted to do this video just to test it out. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'm just really excited about it. These, I believe, cost about $65 right now on Amazon. And if you'd like to check it out, there's a link in the description. You can check that out. And if you go through one of those links, it is an affiliate link, and I do get a little bit for that. And it just helps out the channel, and I appreciate it. But yeah, we ordered 2 of them. I ordered one for Kim, one for myself. And I just couldn't wait to try it out. And I couldn't believe how easy it was to set up. I mean, I had it set up in less than 5 minutes. So it was incredible. And I'm just so tickled pink. I really wanted to upgrade my camera, and this was kind of a Christmas gift to us. So I'm just really happy with that. And I hope, it provides better video quality that, for you guys to see me. I mean, like I said, that old camera was good, and I'm going to keep it. Kim was thinking about maybe we should sell it. But I'm like, no, I learned a long time ago as a professional photographer, 20 plus years, whenever you have a piece of equipment, you always carry backup. So we're going to put it on the shelf. We'll probably put it in that box, and I'll just mark it old used camera or something. And we'll just keep it in case, something happens. I don't anticipate it is going to, because another thing that we did with this, we were offered for an additional $10, we were offered a 4-year warranty. 4 years warranty, full coverage. So if anything goes wrong with this camera, we're covered for 4 years. So we opted for that. So we ended up paying about $75 a camera, which was well worth it, because when I brought this camera up into the view, I was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe it. The quality is so much better and so much cleaner. But like I said, you got to start somewhere. I started with that $20 camera. It served its purpose, but now we've got this one. And like I said, it's called the Logitech C920E. E is in elephant. Okay. And like I said, if you'd like to pick one of those up, you can just check it out in the link description below. And again, if you want to take a look at Kim's store, that link's down there as well. She'd be thrilled if you'd pick up a card, because she's just rocking that store. I'm telling you, she's just so excited about that. And I'm excited for her. We're just going into 2022 with a great attitude and just a lot of hope, and just looking forward to the new year and everything. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful and blessed Christmas, and hope you get everything that you want. And I hope your 2022, in spite of everything that's going on with our country right now, I hope that 2022 will be the best year ever for you, for your sales, for your postcard sales on eBay. Okay? Listen, I got to go. But you guys have a great day. And if you got anything out of this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button. I appreciate it. And have a great 2022. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I just wish you all the best and the greatest in prosperity and promise going into the new year. And yeah, that's it. I guess I'll go, and you guys have a great day, and we'll see you with the new camera on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.